Hey everybody, welcome back to The Budget Bartender. Today we're diving into the world of vibrant cocktails with a true tropical icon, the Bob Marley Cocktail. So this cocktail was recommended to me by my sister-in-law. Her and my brother-in-law are huge Bob Marley fans, so she sent it to me and asked if I could do this about a month or so ago. So I figured I'd give it a try, see what happens. And if you love colorful drinks and the taste of the Caribbean, then this one is definitely for you. And this one's for you, Stephanie. And before we jump into the mixing, let me give you a bit of a history about this stunning cocktail. It's inspired by the legendary Jamaican reggae artist Bob Marley, who's known for spreading peace, love, and unity through his music. And just like Bob's music, this drink is all about celebration, blending together bold tropical flavors and bright colors that represent the vibrant culture of Jamaica. Now the drink itself is a layered cocktail representing the Rastafarian colors, red, yellow, and green. And each layer symbolizes different aspects of the Rastafarian movement. So the red for the blood of the martyrs, gold for wealth and the sun, and green for the lush land of Ethiopia and Jamaica. It's a visual tribute to Bob Marley's Rastafarian roots and his influence around the world. All right, so let's get into what you'll need to make this gorgeous drink. The Bob Marley Cocktail has three main components, which we'll layer one by one. And here's what you'll need. First, for the red layer, we'll be using Grenadine. This one is stirring Grenadine, so it'll be my first time trying it. So our second layer, which is going to be our yellow layer, we're going to do Bacardi's Coconut Rum and pineapple juice. Mix those two together in a glass. 1 ounce of coconut rum, 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And then for our third and green layer, we are going to be using Plantation's Pineapple Rum, the Stiggins Fancy. This is a pineapple infused rum. They actually use fresh pineapples in the distillation process. It's not pineapple flavored rum. And then Blue Curacao. And then we'll be using crushed ice, and I'm gonna make it in a rocks glass. Let's start building. So first we'll pour in 1 ounce of Grenadine for that beautiful red base. This layer is sweet, fruity, and adding a delicious depth to the cocktail. So 1 ounce. And because we want to keep our colors separate, I'm gonna just wipe out the jigger after every pour. So that way the colors don't bleed so much. We'll put in some crushed ice. Now the crushed ice will help keep the layers separate and distinct. 1 ounce of coconut rum. With 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Let's give that a little mix. And then we will layer this, pour it over a spoon. And using the back of the spoon, this technique will help the layers sit on top of each other without mixing. And this layer is tropical with citrus, coconut, and pineapple flavors. And to make the green layer, we are going to use 1 ounce of pineapple rum, and I'm going to do a 1/2 ounce of Blue Curacao. Give that a little stir and a pour. So there you have it, the Bob Marley Cocktail. It's colorful, it's fun, perfect for any party or just relaxing at home. And you can garnish it with pineapple fronds, an orange slice, guess whatever fruit you want, but I just want to see what it tastes like. It's not hard to make, you just have to practice on the layering, but yeah, looks good. Let's give it a taste. I'm gonna try to taste it like this, drink it like this, see how it goes, then I'll probably mix it up. Cheers. Yeah, you pretty much just get the pineapple and the Blue Curacao. So I'm going to mix it up. That's very good. It's not too sweet. The sweetness of the grenadine, the tropical citrus from the coconut, pineapple juice, it all blends together. And the best part of this drink is you don't need to be a master mixologist to make this at home. Just take your time with the layering and you'll get the beautiful look. So the next time you're craving a cocktail that's both stunning and refreshing, whip up the Bob Marley. It's a perfect tribute to the reggae legend himself. Thanks for watching, everyone. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cocktail recipes. And don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know how your Bob Marley cocktail turned out. Till next time, everybody. Have a good day.